Actor. We have holidays for 3 months during the rainy and harvest seasons. It is our good fortune to be able to visit you. On our way to Dakshineshwar, we heard of 2 persons, yourself and Janarnava. Master. Be on friendly terms with your brothers. It looks well. You must have noticed in your theatrical performance that if 4 singers sing each in a different way, the play is spoiled. Actor. Yes, sir. Many birds are trapped in a net. If they all fly together and drag the net in one direction, then many of them may be saved. But that doesn't happen if they try to fly in different directions. One also sees in a theatrical performance a person keeping a pitcher of water on his head and at the same time dancing about. Master. Live in the world, but keep the pitcher steady on your head. That is to say, keep the mind firmly on God. I once said to the sepoys from the barracks, do your duty in the world, but remember that the pestle of death will sometimes smash your hand. Be alert about it. In Kamarpukur, I have seen the women of carpenter families making flattened rice with a husking machine. One woman kicks the end of the wooden beam, and the other woman, while nursing her baby, turns the paddy in the mortar dug in the earth. The second woman is always alert, lest the pestle of the machine should fall on her hand. With the other hand, she fries the soaked paddy in a pan. Besides, she is talking with customers. She says, you owe us so much money. Please pay it before you go. Likewise, do your different duties in the world, fixing your mind on God. But practice is necessary, and one should also be alert. Only in this way can one safeguard both God and the world. Actor. Sir, what is the proof that soul is separate from the body? Master. Proof? God can be seen. By practicing spiritual discipline, one sees God through His grace. The rishis directly realize the self. One cannot know the truth about God through science. Science gives us information only about things perceived by the senses. As for instance, this material mixed with that material gives such and such a result, and that material mixed with this material gives such and such a result. For this reason, a man cannot comprehend spiritual things with his ordinary intelligence. To understand them, he must live in the company of holy persons. You learn to feel the pulse by living with a physician. Actor. Yes, sir. Now I understand. Must. You must practice tapasya. Only then can you attain the goal. It will avail you nothing, even if you learn the texts of the scriptures by heart. You cannot become intoxicated by merely saying Siddhi over and over. You must swallow some. One cannot explain the vision of God to others. One cannot explain conjugal happiness to a child 5 years old.